Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare super moist eggless carrot cake. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need 1 cup of maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, 5 to 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, half a cup of grated carrot, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 150 ml of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Let's see the preparation. In a bowl, let's add the melted butter. Now we can add the powdered sugar. And we are going to mix these two ingredients together using a hand whisk. If you have a spatula, we can use that too. So while mixing it, make sure there are no lumps in it. Let's add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Let's add corn flour, 2 tablespoons. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Salt to taste. Let's mix these ingredients together now. So after mixing these ingredients, our mixture will be very thick. No need to worry because it will be alright. See, now our mixture is like this. Now we are going to add milk to it. So while adding milk, add little by little. So I'm just adding 50 to 60 ml of milk now. I'm just going to mix them. So here also we should make sure there are no lumps. So now our cake mixture is like this. At this time we are going to add the spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. If you do not have nutmeg, we can just leave it. Not to worry. Let's mix it together. Let's add the main ingredient for our cake, the carrots. We are adding half a cup of grated carrots here. Let's add it and mix it together. Now we are going to add the maida. I am just going to add half a portion of it and I'm just going to mix it well. Then I'm going to add the rest of the portion. Now our mixture is without any lumps. Now I'm going to add the rest of the flour. Let's add it. And here also we need to make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Mix it well. Let's add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This mixture will bubble. No need to worry. We'll mix it very fast. Now our batter is like this. At this time we need to add the vanilla essence 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Our cake batter is ready. Let's make our mold ready. Now I'm just greasing it with butter and I'm just dusting it with flour. And I'm not going to use any butter paper. So I'm just going to pour it directly into our mold. Pour the cake mixture to the mold. And I'm just dabbing it, making sure there are no air bubbles. Let's bake our cake in the oven or in the cooker for 40 minutes at 170 degree. Our super moist eggless carrot cake is ready to serve. It is going to be a tasty one and children will love it. Please try this at your home and let us know. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Happy cooking.